So I think that this is one of those issues which I think we need also to realize that depression in the ultimate form can indeed lead also to suicide. And this is an area where I do think that the bill is very important. But it's also what we've seen in the mental health care bill, that it has a human rights approach. And I think that is very progressive, and I think it's very important. It also gives more power for the patient himself to still decide about their own well-being. So I think we see a lot of positive things in the bill. Policy in 2014 on mental health. And with that policy there was also a plan developed. But I understand from this plan is now being implemented in 339 districts in India, which I think is very encouraging. What I have seen, and I think that is some of the realities in India, we have, generally we have some shortages, but even more we have shortages when we go to the rural areas. What I have seen now that what I've seen in the mental health program now, and it might not change overnight, the availability of services, but they have at least recognized this. And they're now also doing some task shifting or making healthcare workers more aware about mental health issues, so that they can be the first contact in the whole system. By having some more attention, and we hope as well that politicians will be also watching, and including of course the healthcare workers themselves, that they also say, look, it is actually something what we can do, and also that they will then feel the need to do even more and better. Well, one of the most dramatic things in life, and I think there are quite a few research about it, is moving. And especially when people move from a rural setting to an urban setting, then things change. And the family, the whole community structure is very different in the rural areas than it is in the city. And some people cope very well with it, and some people are struggling with it. And in that sense, I think the urbanization, which you also see very much with economic growth, and India, fortunately, is in a very important phase of economic growth, and is expected that urbanization will continue. When there is economic growth, many more people will go to the cities because they think, or the jobs are in the cities. So this is one of the challenges of the current situation here in India and in most part of Asia.